students, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. In the previous class, we have learnt about value of an algebraic expression. Using an algebraic expression like the formula, perimeter of the rectangle, area of the circle, perimeter of the circle, we found the value. Yes, and we have used the pi also. What's the value of pi? Yes, value of pi is 22/7. As a continuation of that, in today's class, we are going to learn value of an algebraic expression for algebraic identities. We have already learnt that the major algebraic identities a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. In today's class, we are going to find the value for these algebraic identities. Exercise 4.2, second Roman letter, verify the following identities. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here, they given the value of a as 5 and b as 4. Now, we have to find the value for this algebraic identity. So, let us start this one. Your left hand side is a cube plus b cube. What's the value of a? Yes, value of a is 5. So, you have to write it as 5 cube and value of b is 4. 5 cube plus 4 cube. What's the value of 5 cube? Yes, 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Similarly, 4 cube is 3 times of 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. I have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 1. 189. Your LHS is 189. Now, RHS. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square, which is equal to, now substitute the value of A and B here. 5 plus 4 into 5 square minus 5 into 4 plus 4 square. So, what's the value of 5 plus 4? It's 9. Value of 5 square is 25 minus 20 and value of 4 square is 16, which is equal to 9 into 25 minus 20 is 5. 5 plus 16 is, yes, 21. You have to multiply these two numbers. 1 9 is 9. 9 2s are 18. Yes. Your RHS also 189. So, you can write it as, it implies that your LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next algebraic identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here the value of a they are given as 7 and b as minus 3. So, do it carefully because this is minus 3. So, start with LHS. A plus b into a minus b. So A is 7 and B is minus 3. So plus into minus is minus 3. Here 7 minus of minus 3. What's the value of 7 minus 3? Yes, 4. Here 7 minus into minus is plus 3. It is equal to 4 into 10. So what's the value of 4 into 10? So your LHS is equal to 40. 4 tens are 40. Now your RHS. What's the RHS? A square minus B square. So 7 square minus, the value of B is minus 3 square, which is equal to, what's the value of 7 square? Is 49 minus, the value of minus 3 is minus 3 into minus 3. So minus into minus becomes plus and 3 into 3 is 9. So what's the value of 49 minus 9? Yes, 40. Now you reach your RHS also 40. So LHS, it implies that LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Can you understand? Yes. Exercise 4.2 fourth Roman lecture. Given length and breadth of a rectangle, find the area and perimeter of the rectangle. Here they are given the length is 0.4 meter and breadth is 0.01 meter. They ask you to find the area as well as the perimeter. So first we will find the area of the rectangle. What's the formula to find the area of the rectangle? Yes, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. So your length is 0.4 and breadth is 0.01 and unit is meter. This is square unit, so you have to write it as meter square. So children, always remember that when we are multiplying two decimal numbers, just forget about the decimal points, multiply and then keep the decimal points, right? So 1 4 is 4. Okay, so now count the number of decimal places. 1 2 3. So from the right side, after the third digit, you have to keep one decimal point. So 4, only one number is there, so you have to add two more numbers to the front of this one. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Is it clear, children? Yes, meter square. So area of the rectangle is equal to 0.04 meter square when length is equal to 0.4 meter and breadth is equal to 0.01 meter. What's the next step? Yes, we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. What's the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, 2 times of length plus breadth units. 2 0.4 plus breadth is 0.01 and your unit is meter. So now you have to add these two numbers. So do it carefully. 0.4 plus 0.01, which is into 0.41. Is it clear? Yes, or otherwise add in this way 0.4 then 0.01. 140. Is it clear? Yes. First multiply the numbers and then you can keep the decimal point, right? So 1 2 is 2 and 4 2s are 8. So here 2 decimal point is there, so we have to keep decimal point after 2 digits. 0.82 meter. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 0.82 meter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Yes, let us recall what we have learnt in today's session. So we have learnt value of an algebraic expression for algebraic identities. And always remember, children, when we are multiplying decimals, first multiply the numbers and then we can count the number of decimal points, and afterwards you can keep the decimal point. And similarly, when you are adding decimals also, you do it in column method. It will be very easy for you to complete. Is it clear? Yes. Thank you.